as well, Katie, but it looks like the rain has moved out and we should have a relatively nice weekend.
Yeah, the weekend actually ends up pretty decent. I still want to, caution you that there could still be a shower or thunderstorm around at some point today. We've been on this repeat every single day, having to allow for somewhere to see a shower or a thunderstorm. And we have also, as you said, gotten hit pretty hard here locally, too, up at Mount Pocono since July 21st. This is going back a couple of weeks now. There's been over 10 inches of rain. In fact, there was daily record rainfall set back on July 24th when we had that really heavy rain that came in, brought 3 inches plus to Mount Pocono at the observation site there. So it really has been persistent. And I think that's where we start to get fatigued about it, where you're just dealing with a daily basis worth of this kind of a setup. Off and out to sea, we do have high pressure in place right now, but then that hasn't broken down yet. So this trough can't go anywhere. And the same spots, central PA, down through the mountain ranges of the Virginias, those spots keep getting hit hard with rounds of drenching rain. So if you look really closely, you can even see the clouds moving through. We are facing east, obviously, in this shot from our live neighborhood network. This is in the Spring Garden section looking out toward the east. But yeah, you can see how the clouds are moving along. So that south-southwesterly wind flow is still cranking, and it's still keeping that warmth and humidity in place here. Now, let's talk dew points. These values are very, very close to what the actual air temperature is. The closer those two numbers are, the steamier it is, obviously. And yeah, it's just soupy outside. Really, really muggy day. Not a great hair day. Not a great day, certainly, if you were seeking out some comfort. We really don't have that. Even into tomorrow, we're still waiting for that humidity to ease up. It starts to on Sunday. It won't be quite as oppressive. We'll take anything at this point, right? And that's actually when we do start to clear out completely for a couple of days. Phil's back in action here. They're used to the humidity. They play every summer, right? But we can expect that the temperature drops off moderately through the course of the night. And we can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm throughout the course of the game. Just have to keep an eye to the sky at CBP. Now, looking forward in the Eyewitness Weather 7-day, watch for the heaviest downpours to fall in those north and westmost counties later on today and into tonight. Tomorrow morning, still a shower storm, but then it's transition day. We start to clear back out and we get back into the low 90s. It looks like Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So the heat goes nowhere, but at least the rain finally takes a hike for a couple of days. And great excuses, guys, to find a lake or a pool or head to the beach those days.
Sounds good to me. Thank you, Katie.